Hello friends, welcome to Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Be ready for the legal passage. Ready? Start. On August 26, 1965, the husband filed a petition against the wife under section 13 within bracket 1A seeking relief for dissolution of marriage by divorce on the footing of decree for judicial separation dated July 9, 1958 obtained by the wife against the husband. Stop. In the written statement filed on behalf of the wife, she pleaded that the husband had resumed cohabitation with her against her wishes in the month of July 1965 and that the above referred amendment enforced on December 22, 1964 did not operate retrospectively for the right to maintain a petition by the husband on the basis of a decree for judicial separation obtained by the wife long before the amendment became operative. Stop. She also pleased that the husband was stopped by his acts and conduct from filing petition under section 13. Stop. Stanza. The trial court on issue numbers 1 and 2 interconnected as they are held that subsection within bracket 1a of section 13 of the as amended did not bar the petitioner from filing petition under section 13 of the act. Stop. Issue number 3 was determined against the wife on the ground that she had failed to produce certified copy of the judgment dated August 23, 1962, dismissing the earlier petition filed under section 13 of the act on behalf of the husband against the wife. Stop. On issue number 4, the court came to the conclusion that by virtue of the provision of section 23 within bracket 1 within bracket A of the act, comma, the wrongful act of husband of desertion of the wife which led to the passing of decree for judicial separation on a petition filed by the wife against the husband disentitled the husband to claim the relief for dissolution of marriage by divorce. Stop. The finding given by the trial court on issue number 5 to the effect that the evidence led in the case did not establish resumption of cohabitation by the husband with the wife. Stop. Under issue number 6, the court took the view that the husband was entitled to file petition under section 13 of the act after the amendment in the form subsection within bracket 1a of the act came into force and that petition having been filed on August 26, 1965 could not be held to be belated. Stop. All the issues except issue number 4 were determined by the trial court in favor of the husband. Stop. It is only decision on issue number 4 which was given in favor of the wife and against the husband. Stop. As a result of decision on issue number 4, the petition was dismissed. Hence, the present appeal by the husband stop. सो ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 80 to 85 WPM डिक्टेशन थी. अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो मस्ट लाइक द डिक्टेशन and subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Thanks to all. Be practice for a better future.